Everybody is going berserk over the Bitcoin spot ETF news, and a lot of people want to know, what should I do? What should you do? The thing is this right here. Some people are for it, some people are not. Some people see it as, BlackRock taking over. Other government entities are going to use this for control of your future wealth. And the thing is this right here. For the individuals that do not want to get into it, that's understandable. Okay, it's understandable if you feel a certain way about crypto, if you feel a certain way about these wealth entities, putting their certain agenda on crypto. But what I have to tell you is that it could be a good and a bad thing. Okay, it could hurt you, but at the same time, it could also make you wealthy. Which I have to understand is that we're in a new transfer of wealth. Okay, just picture all of the transfers of wealth that you have either missed or you were not around or not yet born, okay, to witness. Regardless of how we think of things, all right, this is a new transfer of wealth. All right, you have to understand also that no new technology arrives on the scene without being regulated. Okay, and that's what we're going to see. Okay, everything that they're doing with the Bitcoin spot ETFs, everything is a part of. It's just another a tool to be regulated. All right. Now we know that the higher entities are going to build their wealth through it, or at least stack on the wealth that they already have. But it's also up to you to build wealth with that also. Okay, whether it is some kind of control in the future, okay, or whatever it is, you have to understand that this is a new transfer of wealth. This is new technology. This is a new era. Okay, at some point, the numbers that you are seeing now are just going to be chump change numbers compared to what you're going to see in the future. This is just the beginning, despite crypto being out for more than 14 years. All right, this is a new transfer of wealth. So, like I said, picture all of the other transfers of wealth that you have missed, including like certain gold to certain stocks. Oh, okay, the stock market, the internet boom. Okay, picture those transfers of wealth. Okay, the new Amazons, the new Googles of the world. Think of all of that stuff you've missed out on, and just think of the new era of technology that we are in now. And this is technology that, in my opinion, is going to be way bigger than a lot of other past technologies. Okay, we're just in a new era. So the thing is this: you're going to either be a part of it or you are not. Okay, and for individuals that are not as educated in, Bitcoin ETFs or cryptos in general, I expect individuals to get educated, even the elders. Okay, if you're an elder and you have like, you have like a young one in the house who is into crypto or have been into crypto, have been talking about it. Okay, pick their brain. Tell them to teach you what you need to know about wealth. Okay, because when we think about wealth, okay, we think about riches. We think about lots of money and all of that stuff like that. I'm gonna tell you like this: if you have money but you have no assets, you're just going to be rich poor. All right, that means you have money that can be spent. You have money that is not working for you and can be spent, and you can be possibly broke down the line. But if you have assets, you have certain maybe ETF assets or crypto assets or some kind of assets that are bringing you returns. Returns instead of touching your initial investment. Then that will fare well. That's your wealth right there. You're able to live on certain assets, okay, and not be able to touch your initial investment, okay. And that's why it is important for us to at least take into consideration what is going on into the crypto space. It is good to not really read too much into they're going to have control over us. Okay, you should not be swayed away from newer technology just because of what is put out into the media or what a lot of your follow or a lot of what the individuals you follow are saying on the internet. You have to understand it's a good and a bad thing. We had good and bad with other past transfers of wealth. All right. So the thing is, it's a new transfer of wealth. I don't know when the next time we're going to see a newer transfer of wealth. I don't know how long it's going to be. It may be a couple centuries, okay, down the line before we have something like this comes along. So I want the younger and the elder generation also to understand that this is a new time. It's a new transfer of wealth. At some point, the numbers that you are seeing now is going to be chump change compared to what you're going to see 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years from now. Okay? And you want to do everything. You don't want I'm not going to say you want to do everything right, because there's no way to do everything right. All you can do right now is get into projects, okay, that's giving itself a chance. And these are going to be projects that are basically have the potential to cater to the masses. We got like, what, 8 billion people in the world? Okay, if you can get into projects that can cater to the masses, or have the potential to offer value to the masses, because remember, the masses are going to be dependent on the newer technology to survive in the world. We're going off of old systems. So if you can get into projects that have that kind of potential to offer to the masses, then you're giving your wealth a chance. Okay, you're giving your wealth a chance, and when that regulation storm comes through, all right, and knocks down when that regulation storm comes through and start knocking down your soldiers on that battlefield, all right, you're at least going to give yourself a chance to have a couple, 1 or 2 soldiers left standing, okay, to help build your wealth. All right, that's why I say also diversify your portfolio. All right, don't just be stuck on one thing. Don't just be stuck on certain Bitcoin ETFs or certain cryptos or certain DeFi or decentralized products. Okay, focus on, at least, you don't have to have 15, 20 cryptos, okay, in your wallet in order to feel that that's what you need to gain wealth. Okay, have about, I would say, anywhere from between 5 to 10. In between that number, 5 to 10. Okay, and what you want to focus on, financial-based and service-based cryptos. What are financial-based and service-based cryptos? These are cryptos that are going to offer a service. Okay, those are the service-based cryptos. You have cryptos. I cover some of the cryptos, such as cryptos that are covering certain utilities, such as what can I say, real estate, okay, or logistics, okay, cryptos like that. What are financial-based cryptos? Financial-based cryptos are cryptos that assist like bank institutions, okay, they assist like government contracts, okay, governmental institutions, also banks, big banks, small banks, okay. Financial and service-based cryptos that have the potential to be around for a while. All right, you have to understand, when you do crypto, when you're doing ETFs, whatever you are doing, you need to do them the right way. A lot of people get into the wrong things, or they're misled by the wrong people. So you want to get into projects that's going to give your crypto a chance, okay, and give your wealth a chance. So the thing is this right here: am I worried about the bad of the Bitcoin ETFs and all of this stuff? No, because I know that this technology is around to stay. Okay, it's all that Capitol Hill is talking about. These are going to be the systems that the masses, 8 billion people, y'all. Just think about it, 8 billion people. You already got big entities out there that are pushing the ETFs, that are pushing this technology, telling the average Joe consumer to invest in it. That's 8 billion people. That's not the 8 billion people that are invested in crypto, because there are not 8 billion people that are invested into crypto. Out of the 8 billion people, only a smaller percentage, I think it's like less than 5%, that are investing into crypto, that even have any kind of idea what the ETFs are. But you have to understand that crypto is becoming more mainstream. So just imagine when word hits 8 billion people. Just imagine when technology switches over and 8 billion people are forced, okay, to pay attention to this technology and are forced to invest in this technology. Just imagine the revenue that is going to pour in. And yes, it's going to be controlled, but just imagine, okay, where your wealth is going to be at. Had you given yourself a chance, had you blocked out all of the negativity, all right, and had you just accept to take the bad with the good, of the new transfer of wealth. I want to make this video for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, I hope y'all got some motivation behind this. I hope y'all having an open mind about your future wealth, and you'll have some kind of sense of direction on how to approach newer technology. Block out all the negativity and just do your research. This is my video. Remember, y'all, you either have patience in this crypto investing space in this new transfer of wealth era, or you lose in the end. And the thing is, I do not want you all to be losers. I want you all to be winners, because it's about time for us to have a new era of multimillionaires and multi-billionaires. We're in that era. We got next, y'all. Okay? This is what you have to understand. You have next. All right? This is new money coming in. Okay? Old millionaires and old billionaires, that's old money. It's time for the new multimillionaires and new multi-billionaires. Okay? It might get to a point where, shoot, we're having new multi-trillionaires. Okay? And I'm not just talking about big companies. This is my video, and I will catch all of you lovely people and viewers and supporters on the up and up. Outie.